On the road to comfort, the HVAC service van. HVAC technicians are like superheroes of home comfort. They keep our homes cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But have you ever wondered what's inside their secret weapon? It's the HVAC service van. This van is like a mobile workshop. It carries all the tools and equipment technicians need to fix your heating and cooling systems. Think of it as a toolbox on wheels, but much bigger. Without this van, technicians would struggle to do their jobs. They wouldn't be able to bring all the necessary tools to your home. It's an essential part of keeping your family comfortable year-round. Let's look inside and see what makes it so special. A technician's toolkit. Essential tools of the trade. Inside the van, you'll find a wide range of tools, each with a specific purpose. Some of the most important ones include refrigerant gauges. These tools measure the pressure of the refrigerant in your system. This helps technicians identify leaks and ensure the system is running efficiently. Vacuum pump. This powerful pump removes air and moisture from the system before refrigerant is added. It's crucial for preventing damage and ensuring optimal performance. Recovery machine. This tool safely removes old refrigerant from the system, which is important for the environment. These are just a few of the many tools you might find in an HVAC service van. Each one plays a crucial role in diagnosing and fixing heating and cooling problems. A place for everything, organization inside the van. With so many tools and parts, the inside of an HVAC service van can get pretty cluttered. That's why organization is key. Technicians use shelves, drawers, and organizers to keep everything in its place. This makes it easy to find what they need quickly, even when they're in a hurry. Proper organization isn't just about tidiness, it also helps prevent damage to tools and equipment. A well-organized van is a more efficient van, which means faster service for you. The daily grind, a technician's life. HVAC technicians have demanding jobs. They often work long hours, especially during the busy summer and winter months. They face challenges like working in tight spaces, crawling under houses and into attics is all part of the job, dealing with extreme weather. Fixing an air conditioner on a scorching hot day can be tough. Troubleshooting complex problems. Finding the root cause of a problem can be like solving a puzzle. Despite these challenges, most HVAC technicians take pride in their work. They know that they're helping people stay comfortable and safe in their homes, and their well-equipped service van is a big part of what makes that possible.